Hello again, students, and welcome to another lesson using www.sketchup.com free. Today, in this lesson, I'll show you how to make the climbing wall assembly using the wall climb and the wall handle models we've already made for our imaginary playground. Without further ado, navigate to the SketchUp landing page you see here. Once you're here, upper right corner, you'll see the person icon. Select My Apps. You might have to log in with your Google account. Then select My Products. View Included Applications. Use the drop-down to find SketchUp for Web and Launch. When you see the familiar blue logo, you're good to go. Don't forget, step 1, create new simple template feet and inches. Move to the right side where you see the Model Info tab. Select decimal format. Leave the precision as it is and change the snap interval to 0.125. Hit enter to lock it in. Select the 5'8" lady and hit delete to remove her. Move to the right side again and see the Scenes tab. It looks like a movie clipboard. Use the second cube down here to select parallel projection and front view. And grab the pan tool, press your left mouse button and move the origin down and to the left. Now move up to the upper left and you'll see these 3 lines. Those will be used to click and insert from Trimble Connect your wall climb model. So select SketchUp, Playground, Wall Climb, Insert as Component. And once it's there, use the left corner and place it down at the origin. Click. Before you proceed, put some color on it. So go to the Materials cube. Looks like a cube with an X on it. Here on the right side, select. Use the magnifying glass. Click. Search for colors. Click. And then find the color you like. I want green, so I'm going to select this green color. And then I'm going to select a surface and change my model to a green color. Now, I'm going to need a wall handle. So I go back to the upper left, select those 3 lines, select Insert from Trimble Connect, SketchUp, Playground, find the wall handle, Insert as Component, and place it off to the left side. Zoom in on it because we want to colorize it. I'm going to use the red color as a contrast to the green. Select the red and use the paint bucket to make the wall handle red. Now I notice that it's in a backward position. So what I'm going to do is start looking at this from the back. This is the back view. I'm looking at it from the back and I'm going to use my move tool. See if I can position it over the top of the wall. I'm going to look at it from right view, left view. Now it doesn't appear to be visible, so I'm going to go Control Z. And again, I'm going to use the move tool to place it. Zoom in a lot so you can place it up against the surface. And then once you've got it placed, use the select tool and select off to the side to deselect. Look at it from back view again. And I'm going to use the move tool to position it. And again, verify that it stays on the right plane. I've noticed that SketchUp has a tendency to want to move your models to the wrong plane. See how it's just moving it. Be careful as you move it slowly where you want it to be. And again, verify that it's adhered to the surface of the wall. Now I'm returning to the back view. Select it. And what I want to do, actually use the select tool to select it. Then what I want to do is go copy. So I use Control C to copy and then Control V to paste. And then I position my cursor where I want it and click. And then again, double check from the right view or the left view to see, is it on the surface of the wall? And it appears to be so. So I go back to the back view and I still have that selected. So I could go Control C, Control V, and select on the face of the wall. Control V, and place it on the wall. Now I'm thinking like a designer. Where do I want the kids to place their hands and feet? Control V, Control V. Control V, starting on the other side. Step, Control V. That's where they grab. Step, Control V. That's where they're going to grab. Control V. Control V. Click. Control V. Click. Control V. Click. Look at it from right view to verify that all the handles are on the surface. Look at it from back view. Now I'm going to use the select tool to make a marquee around the entire assembly. And once I've got everything selected, I use my right mouse button to click on the assembly and make its component. Change the name to climbing, C-L-I-M-B-I-N-G, wall, W-A-L-L, assembly, A-S-S-E-M-B-L-Y. Don't forget to select the Any button and then click OK. Now I have a climbing wall assembly component, so I'm going to save. And I'm going to save it in the SketchUp, save it in the playground, and change the name to climbing wall assembly. Save here. Says that it's saving. Says that it's saved. Climbing wall assembly. Now use the 3 lines and export PNG. Don't forget to select the export as PNG button. And now that it's in the bottom left, you can go to your downloads folder and verify it's there. That's the image you're going to want to turn in for assignment credit. Good luck. Hope this video helped.